Well, surveys say 80% of people will consider a review before going to a business for the first time. So can a business sue an individual for a negative review? Fox 2's Vic Faust discusses that topic with Brown and Crouppen attorney Brandon Jackson in this week's Legal Lens.
In this day of social media and online access to everything, it's much easier for customers to talk about their experiences with businesses, both good and bad. But can businesses sue individuals for talking negative about them? I asked Brandon Jackson with Brown and Crouppen.
Yes, Vic, a business can sue a customer for leaving a negative review online. And it's something that we're seeing an upward trend towards. We're seeing business owners attempt to protect their reputation by filing these suits online. And we're seeing them so much, Vic, that there's even an acronym for them. They're called SLAP suits, or strategic litigation against public participation.
What do they actually have to prove to have a successful lawsuit against a negative customer review?
They have to prove defamation. And in order to prove defamation or libel, you have to prove that it is a statement of fact, that it was made publicly, and that it tends to damage or injure a business's reputation. Finally, these businesses have to show some sort of reputational harm or damage to profits.
Are there any laws in the books that actually protect the free speech of a customer to say something about a business that maybe they've experienced or a service?
You hit the nail on the head. You know, the first and most important law on the books is the U.S. Constitution. And the First Amendment of the U.S. Constitution grants us free speech. In 2016, Congress passed the Customer Review Fairness Act. That is a federal law that attempts to crack down on these business owners by saying, hey, you cannot pursue a claim against folks who leave an online review unless you have a non-disparagement clause in a contract with them.
What kind of advice do you have for customers or consumers when they start to type whatever they start to type about a company when it comes to a review?
Be honest in your review, be accurate. It's okay to state your opinion, but you should not lie. So most importantly, be truthful. I think in addition to that, it's important that if you feel like some business owner is attempting to quash your free speech, you are also able to contact the Attorney General's office and file a report against them. Everyone has a right to have their day in court. And so even if you may view it as a frivolous lawsuit, you still could spend thousands of dollars in attorneys and legal fees protecting yourself against these lawsuits. So tread lightly.
For the Brown and Crouppen Legal Lens, I'm Vic Faust.
And the Legal Lens comes your way every Wednesday with Brown and Crouppen.